Did you know a home warranty doesn't actually disappear at closing? Well, let's look at how you keep it.
Yep, most home warranties are fully transferable directly from the seller to the buyer. It's honestly super straightforward. So here's the incredibly simple 5-step process to get that exact policy transferred over to you. Step 1. Get the warranty company's name plus the specific policy number straight from the seller. Step 2 is a breeze. Contact the warranty provider directly, either by calling them up or just going online. For step 3, simply provide your name, the new property address, your contact info, and of course, your closing date.
Step 4, pay the standard transfer fee. That usually runs you somewhere between $50 and $100.
And step 5, you'll get your confirmation when the company sends over all the new documentation in your name. The whole process is totally seamless. In fact, this entire turnaround usually takes just a few business days. Now, what's the real secret here? Let's talk about the absolute biggest advantage of keeping that existing policy.
Transferring is huge because you literally skip that standard 30-day waiting period you'd get with a brand new policy.
This means your essential home coverage is fully active the exact moment that quick transfer process is totally completed. And for sellers, well, offering a transferable warranty makes your home way more attractive to potential buyers. Starting fresh or transferring, visit libertyhomeguard.com to get protected.